riera ria kuruta maithori na kaguru ndeithia niguo kurokire tauni-ini ya Naikuru, maabitha borithi makihitana na ateteri ihoto cia muingi o undu umwe na aikari a kaunti ino aria mekwiyumiritie kanini na kanene kururungana magikumithia ungumania wa kigina gia kuhitana na murimu wa COVID-19 guku bururi-ini. Arurungani aya megukuyaga nyimbo cia kumenereria ungumania ucio uria uthiite na mbere na gwithegea ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri o undu umwe na ruhonge-ini rwa wendia wa ndawa rwa KEMSA, makienda aria makuruhanitio na njama icio maikio ngono na matacokerio makinya mahiu ma kiwatho.
Because of theft that is happening in Kenya, donors are withdrawing their support. And as we said, when that withdrawal happens, is the poor people who will die.
We are here as angry Kenyans to actually demand the government to actually do a proper investigation and arrest those who are culpable.
Matuko ya marurungani aya macokire kwerekerio nginyagia wabici-ini ya gavana wa Naikuru Lee Kinyanjui, na thutha-ini macoka kwambithio hema wabici-ini ya kamishna wa gitaru kia Rift Valley George Natembeya.
As patriots, we are not going to sit aside as the county and the government of Kenya commits a genocide against its people.
To find that the same government who is asking us to obey the law is actually protecting the thieves who actually have stolen money meant to cushion Kenyans against COVID-19 pandemic.
Na riria agiitire na ndumo, maabitha borithi magitigwo na gibarua kiritu gia guthatia mururungano uyu uria urerikana gutabanio mugaru na watho, undu uria umenereirio ni atongoria guo aria maugite marari na marua makumetikiria kumira bara kwanirira makaya mao.
Wao wanajitasirisha, ninyi mko hapa kutusumbua na tear gas. Nani hapa amekura bilioni 1?
Na tondu maitho maciura matigiragia inywe mai, mbukirira ici itinarigiriria maabitha ya borithi guikia ngono amwe ya arurungani aria ho mekuhinyagiriria thirikari ya kaunti ino itaririo ria huthirite kigina gia kung'ethanira na murimu wa COVID-19.
Enough is enough. The money that we pay as taxes must be returned to us as Kenyans. So we are telling the president, if he cannot be able to manage this country, he better resign.
Ungumania ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri na ruhonge-ini rwa wendia wa ndawa rwa KEMSA ni undu uthiite na mbere na kuhuithia matatongoria o undu umwe na Kenya aria mathiite na mbere na kukumithia. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Naikuru, njitagwo Muiruri wa Kang'ara.